In today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for research in a simple and effective way. First, go to Claude.ai and log in. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so your session runs smoothly. Once you're in, start a new chat to keep your research focused and organized. Now, clearly describe your research topic. This is the most important step. Be specific about what you need and how you want the information presented. For example, ask for a short summary, pros and cons, key statistics, reliable sources. If you need credible information, mention it, like peer-reviewed studies or official reports. You can also control the level of detail. Ask for a quick overview or a deep analysis, depending on your goal. Narrow your topic by time, region, or audience if needed. For example, give an in-depth overview of this topic with a summary, pros and cons, recent statistics, and reliable sources. Once you send your prompt, review the response. Check for clarity, structure, and sources. If needed, refine your prompt and ask again. That's it. Clear prompts help Claude give you accurate, useful research quickly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.